a call to a silent protest. The Turkish state will celebrate its 100th anniversary on October 29, 2023. Its founding motto, "Happy is the person who says I'm a Turk," will once again insult the ears of 30 million Kurds inside the same imperial state. Ataturk, the founder of Turkey, called himself a Westerner and supposedly left his children a democratic republic. Did he? The American ambassador Joseph Grew equated his rule with fascism. The dictator ordered his Turks the master race. He banned the Kurdish language. But as Dr. King was fond of repeating, truth crushed to earth shall rise again. It has. The Kurds are on their feet now. They are dismantling their own Berlin Wall, one slab at a time. We salute them from America. Join us for a solidarity silent protest at Sheridan Circle Friday, October 27 at 10 a.m. We will then march with our mouths duct taped to the Turkish Embassy at 11. Our banner will read 100 years of Turkish fascism. Let my people speak Kurdish. Some of us will engage in Gandhian civil disobedience. Dress code, funeral attire. See you at Sheridan Circle.